is Veena from Pate Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Here's where you'll find quick and tasty recipes for new cooks and those with less time to spend in the kitchen. Okay then, let's get cracking with today's recipe. Welcome back. I'm so happy to share with you my quick Rava Besan Ladoo recipe. It's as easy as roasting the two main ingredients and mixing in the powdered sugar. Now without any further ado, let's start making tasty Rava Besan Ladoos right here at Pate Cake. Now a few important tips for you. Roasting the besan slowly on low to medium-low heat requires a lot of patience, but don't become impatient and increase the heat. The better you roast the besan, the better the taste of the ladoos. If you want the ladoos to have a brighter yellow color, add in some yellow food color mixed in a little water at the time of adding the milk. So how easy was that? I told you it's a quick and easy recipe for Rava Besan Ladoos. And wait till you taste them. They're super delicious. And yes, do watch out for my next festival video on my easy, no-fail recipe for crunchy chaklis. See you again soon. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And do stop by again for yet another quick and tasty recipe. Till then, take care, happy cooking!